not gonna.
But it
Yeah, don't let him bite you.
Grandma.
Did he bite you?
Your parents?
Yeah. Little critter.
Are you serious?
There's got a little mark right there.
Oh my God. She's bleeding. I didn't know you'd hold a python, girl.
Are you gonna be okay? I have to answer my phone. Excuse me.
Okay. Aww. He's trying to kill me, Mom.
No, he's not. There's a bracelet for you.
It's still
He's actually trying to kill me.
Yeah, he's twisting.
It's still tight. Oh, it's trying to choke you now.
Oh my God.
It chokes its enemies.
Say goodbye to your hand.
How do you put it on the thing?
Bring it to the girl. Bring it to the girl. Bring it to the girl.
Aw, you did a really good job.
He wrapped around me.
Oh, you made a bracelet. And when I put him around my neck, he likes to go up in my ear. And when she was born, there were 7 eggs in the group, but only 2 survived.
Oh, I feel pretty.
He was wrapping around my sister.
Here he comes, look.
Oh my
He's
God, they
climbing
can't
out.
climb the wall.
Wow.
Oh, look how cute they are.
Where are they?
Mom, look right there. One sleeping.
Aww.